Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing how to use hide option instead of minimizing a window. Now what generally people do is uh, to clear the way for just one window that they want to use. They minimize all the windows that are open. And by minimizing, the dock wouldn't look nice. It would have a lot of applications minimized. So instead of minimizing the window, you can hide it. So suppose if I want to hide the numbers application, click on the numbers window and select the app here on the menu bar, and you can see the hide option here. The shortcut to it is Command and H. So if I simply click on the application window and click select on Command H, the app is hidden. Now, to bring the hidden application back, hold on to Command Tab, and this will show you the applications that were recently opened. And now go to Numbers, and if you leave the Command key on the keyboard, the application is open. So this is a much easier method than minimizing the application window. So hope you found this video useful. Thank you.